When the constant comes first, you still need to remove it to separate the variable. This is still page 5 for one-step equations, questions 5 to 6. So 5 plus x equals 17. You have number 5 before x, but the rule is the same. You have to get rid of the constant that's on the same side of the variable. So we have to do minus 5 on both sides. And remember, you don't have any sign before 5. That means this is actually positive 5. It is plus 5. To undo it, you have to do minus 5. So 5 and 5 is cancelled. And you have an x on the left side. And 17 minus 5 is 12. The next question, negative 9 plus t is 21. The variable is t. Which number is next to the variable on the same side? It's negative 9. To undo negative 9, you have to do plus 9 and plus 9. So when you do plus 9 on the left side, you have to do plus 9 on the right side. Negative 9 plus 9 is cancelled. You are left with t equals 21 plus 9 is 30. Next, when the variable is on the right side, you still need to remove the constant that is on the same side to the variable. So these are basically the same questions, but your variable is on the right side. So 19 equals x plus 17, which constant is next to the variable x? It is 17. To get rid of 17 plus 17, you have to do minus 17. And when you do minus 17 to the right side, you have the same thing on the left side. So also minus 17 on the left side. And then 17 and 17 will be cancelled. 19 minus 17 is 2. And you have x on the right side. You can either write x equals 2 or 2 equals x. Number 8, 100 equals x minus 20. To cancel minus 20, you have to do plus 20 and plus 20 on the left side too. And minus 20 plus 20 will be cancelled. 100 plus 20 will give you 120 equals x. Number 9, same thing. You have to do minus 7 on the same side because y is on the right side. You have to get rid of the constant that is on the same side of the variable. So minus 7 on the right side, minus 7 on the left side. 7 minus 7 is cancelled. So 25 minus 7 is 18 equals y. Number 10, you have to get rid of negative 5 because that's the constant that's on the same side of the variable r. So you have to do plus 5 on the right side. And when you do plus 5 on the right side, you have to do plus 5 on the left side. And then negative 5 plus 5 will be cancelled. Negative 16 plus 5 will give you negative 11 equals r. So this is page 5. Next page is page 6. I will just go over these two questions. If you have a double negatives, negative, you have to change it to positive. So before we start, when you have a negative, switch h minus negative 7, change it to plus. And then number 12, 29 equals x negative 12, change it to plus, and then solve for the variable. So here you have plus 7, you have to do minus 7 on the left, minus 7 to the right. So 7 and 7 is cancelled. H is equal to 4 minus negative 7, which is negative 3. And next question, 12. To get rid of plus 12, you have to do minus 12 and minus 12. And 12 and 12 is cancelled. 29 minus 12 is 17 equals x. And you can do the practice questions below.